In the meantime, Wisconsin DOT says it is executing an emergency contract to repair State Highway 35 near the site of the train derailment near DeSoto. DOT says the heavy equipment used to clean up last week's derailment damaged the highway's pavement, shoulders, and pavement markings. Those repairs started today and will continue this weekend. 35 is set to open to traffic under work zone conditions starting tomorrow, so drivers are urged to be cautious. DOT will send a bill for these repairs to BNSF, who pledged to cover costs associated with fixing that train derailment. The Highway 82 crossing to Lansing, Iowa, in the meantime, is open to traffic.